Welcome to How to Play Rook. To play, you will need the Rook card deck. Rook is typically played with 4 players divided into 2 teams, but this tutorial will teach you how to play the 2-player variation. Before dealing, remove the 1s, 2s, and 3s from the deck, as well as the Rook Bird card. Then deal out 12 cards into 3 piles, 1 for the opponent, 1 for the dealer, and a dummy hand to the right of the dealer. Half of the dummy hand's cards are dealt face up, and the other half is dealt face down. There will be 8 cards remaining after the deal. Place 5 face down into the middle. This pile of cards is known as the nest. The remaining 3 cards are set aside and are not used for the round. Rook is a trick-taking game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card will win the trick. The cards are ranked in numerical order, with the 14s being the highest, down to the 4s being the lowest. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored by taking counter cards during the gameplay. The 14 cards and the 10 cards each count for 10 points. The 5 cards count for 5 points each. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other player. Before the gameplay begins, each player will bid for the right to name a trump color. Each round, one of the colors will be named the trump color and will outrank all other color cards. For example, when red is the trump color, the 6 of red will outrank the 14 of yellow to win this trick. The minimum bid amount is 50, and each new bid must be at least 5 points higher than the previous bid. The bidding continues until a player passes on bidding. Here, Dory bids 50, Marlin bids 60, the bid returns to Dory, who bids 65, Marlin bids 70, Dory passes. Marlin wins the bid at 70. By winning the bid, Marlin gets to take the 5 nest cards into his hand. Marlin will then discard any 5 cards back into the nest. The nest cards are taken in by the player who wins the last trick in the round. Once the new nest is placed down, Marlin will name a trump color for the round. Marlin calls black as trump for this round. At this point, the 6 face-down cards in the dummy's hand are flipped face up for everyone to see. During the round, the non-bid winner will play from their own hand and the dummy hand. The first card played to the first trick comes from the dummy hand. Dory leads green 14 from the dummy hand. Play moves clockwise left to Marlin. A player must play a card in the same color that was led if possible. Marlin follows the color with a green 7. Play moves to Dory, who follows the color with a green 4. The dummy hand wins the trick with the highest ranking card in the lead color. The hand that takes the trick will lead the next trick. Dory leads the red 5 from the dummy hand. Marlin follows with the red 6. Dory follows with the red 14. Dory wins the trick. Dory leads the next trick with the yellow 14 and plays the yellow 9 from the dummy hand. Marlin cannot follow the color and can play any card. Marlin plays the black 5. The trump card wins the trick. Marlin leads the next trick and play continues until all cards have been played. Skipping ahead, Marlin wins the last trick and takes the nest cards. At the end of a round, the players will score for the counters taken during the round. Any counters taken by the dummy hand are scored by the non-bidder. If the bidder takes the amount bid or more, they will score the amount taken. Marlin bid 70 and took 75 points. Marlin scores 75 points. Dory scores 25 points for the counters she took and the dummy counters taken. The scores are recorded, and the first player to 300 or more points wins the game. If a bidder fails to take at least the amount of points bid, they will lose the amount of points bid. If you enjoyed learning how to play Rook with 2 players and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.